1984 Buick Park Avenue. Actually, may have been Electra Park Avenue in 84. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, believed to be original miles in the 40,000 range. No readings above that on the Carfax. And judging by the interior, I would also believe that to be true. As you can see, kind of a dark wine in color. Do have a couple cracks in the filler panels up here, but those are the original filler panels. Take a look at the chrome in the front, headlights, surrounds, grille. 5-liter V8 underneath the hood. That is paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, of course, a rear-wheel drive sedan. Power steering, power brakes, AC. If you want to check out the still pictures, see the underside of this car, engine bay, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right here. And here's you're going to see I'm talking about with how nice of condition this interior is in when I get around to the driver's side too and show you the seat wear or lack thereof, just like here. Just do not see wear in the carpeting, seating area. Power seat, passenger side, look at that dash, not cracked, obviously stored indoors. Take a look at the vinyl top, also in nice condition, not showing its age, discoloration, anything like that. Now, paint does show its age a little bit, but it does appear to be original paint. There's a few age spots back here, if you will. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There's the filler panels on the rear, look good, as well as the chrome. And once again, you can see all this in the still pictures, every angle of this car, inside and out, top to bottom, engine and trunk. uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there, of course, above the wheel wells. Lots of times, the first place you're going to start seeing corrosion, but this car seems to be in nice shape in that particular department. Riding on the Buick Motor Division rally style wheels. Kind of cool. An 80s classic, if you will. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. Of course, power windows, power locks, power seats, both sides. Now, this interior color, there's the true color of it. If you've watched my videos before, if I get up on top of this, it's going to wash it out. Just like that. That is not the color if you see any close-ups. It is this right there. So again, look at the lack of wear on those pillowed cushions, which again leads me to believe this is definitely an original mile car. Nothing that would say any otherwise in the wear of the interior or the Carfax. And there it is, 42,681, if you can see that. There you go. As I mentioned earlier, power steering, power brakes. Over here we do have electronic climate control, AM, FM cassette. Dash in nice shape. Love that headliner. Also nice shape, good color too. Sagging in just a couple little spots, but boy, not bad considering here. Slip around to the back so you hear this one run. What you'd expect, stock 84 Buick. All right, let me pause this a second. I want to pop this hood so you can check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There's the hood liner, fair condition, and the engine bay. Again, I would say reflects age and miles rather well. Smooth runner, 5-liter V8, power steering, power brakes, AC's been converted. That's paired up with that automatic with overdrive transmission. Listen, we'll go down the road. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in.